Instagram page posted 7 videos in a brand new niche, and every single one went viral. They had been posting human versus beast content, but the moment they switched to this style, their first video exploded to 23.2 million views. Their most recent video, posted just 4 days ago, already has over 172,000 views, and it is still climbing. I looked at exactly what they are doing, and I found something important. This niche is already blowing up on Instagram, but on YouTube Shorts it is almost completely empty. Nobody is here yet. That means right now, today, with the tools I am about to show you, you can be one of the first. I am going to show you exactly how to make these videos step by step using AI in under 6 minutes. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will be ready to post your first one tonight. So, what is this niche exactly? It is AI-generated survival videos. Cinematic, high-stakes, short-form clips where a single character faces an impossible challenge. Think brutal arenas, ticking clocks, and life-or-death decisions, the kind of content that makes your heart rate go up in the first 3 seconds. The reason this works is pure psychology. Suspense, fear, and survival are 3 of the most powerful emotional triggers on any platform. When a viewer feels tension, they cannot scroll away. They need to know what happens. And that need keeps them watching, which is exactly what the algorithm rewards. The search volume is massive, the audience is primed, and this style of content fits perfectly into that energy. You are not copying anything. You are riding a cultural moment with your own original character and your own original story. That is the opportunity. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you do not miss what is coming next. The first thing you need is a strong story idea, and not just an idea, but a full cinematic blueprint. ChatGPT will help us with this part. I have already done the hard work for you and prepared 2 prompts in the Google Doc linked in the description to make this workflow as fast as possible. Copy the first prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and submit. Within seconds, it gives you 10 completely original survival concepts, each one broken down into the title, the character, the setting, the specific hazard, the emotional hook that stops the scroll, the exact first 3 seconds of the video, and a survival twist at the end that pays everything off. You are not picking a random idea. You are choosing from 10 fully developed cinematic concepts with everything already mapped out. Pick the one that hits hardest. For this tutorial, I will go with this one, $9 million versus. The vertical wildfire tower. A teenage waitress climbs into hell so her little sister won't disappear into state custody. Once you have your concept, go back to the Google Doc and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, scroll to the end, add a line of space, then type your chosen concept underneath it and submit. What comes back is a complete scene-by-scene visual breakdown. 1 master prompt per scene, each one written specifically for Seedance 2, with the character, the physics, the camera direction, the lighting, and the audio all described in 1 paragraph, ready to paste directly into your video generator. No rewriting, no guessing. You go from idea to production-ready prompts in under 6 minutes. Step 2. Generating your clips. Now, this is where it gets exciting. Head over to SGen AI using the link in the description below. This is an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to the best image and video generation models available right now, including GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Kling 3, and Seedance 2, which is what we are using today. When you log in, you will see 3 ways to work. Agent mode allows you to create full videos by simply talking to the AI in plain language. Tools mode lets you select a specific model and work with it directly. Canvas mode lets you build your entire video inside one workspace, from refining your prompts to generating images and final polished videos by connecting different nodes into one complete system. For this workflow, we are going to Tools mode for maximum control. Before we generate a single video clip, I want to give you one piece of strategy that will separate your channel from everyone else doing this. Do not make random survival videos. Build one original character and put them in every single challenge. Give them a name, a distinct look, a personality that comes through even without dialogue. To create your character, click on the image section inside Tools mode and make sure Nano Banana 2 is selected for the best quality results. Then return to ChatGPT and look inside your video concept for the contestant description. That is your main character. Copy it, paste it into the prompt box, set the aspect ratio to 4:3 and the resolution to 4K for a crisp and sharp result, then generate. What comes back is a hyper-realistic character that looks almost real. Save this image because you will upload it as a reference every single time you generate a video clip, so the face stays perfectly consistent across your entire channel. That consistency is what turns viewers into subscribers. They come back not for the challenge, they come back for the character. They want to see what happens next. That is how you build a channel, not just a viral video. Once your character image is ready, switch back to the video section and select Seedance 2 as your generation model. What I like about SGen is that it houses all the latest and powerful models, and we are using Seedance 2 since it generates cinematic videos with realistic physics and native audio. Upload your character image as the reference that we just generated. Now go to ChatGPT, copy your first scene description, and paste it into the SGen prompt box. Remove the character name from the prompt and replace it with the image tag. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts and Instagram reels. For duration, since our full video will contain 5 scenes across 60 seconds, each clip should be 12 seconds. Select fast mode to save credits and hit generate. When your clip is ready, play it back to confirm everything looks right. If you are happy with the result, download it to your device. There is also an upscale option available which will sharpen the output significantly and is worth using before you download. Now repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Return to ChatGPT. Copy the next scene prompt, paste it into SGen, upload your character and tag it, set the aspect ratio to vertical, select fast mode, and generate. Within a few minutes, you will have every clip you need for your complete video. Step 4. Editing. Once all your clips are ready, open your favorite video editing software. I will be using CapCut for this, but you can use whatever you are comfortable with. Start a new project, import every clip, and arrange them one by one in scene order on the timeline so the story flows naturally from tension to payoff. Pacing is everything in this format. Each cut should push the stakes higher than the last. One thing that makes Seedance 2 clips special is that they already come with native audio baked in, so you do not need to do much on the sound side. The ambient sounds, the impact effects, and the environmental audio are already there. Do not bury them. If you want to add a cinematic suspense track underneath to make the emotion hit even harder, keep the music volume low enough that the native audio still comes through clearly. The sound design is part of the experience, and it is one of the things that makes these videos feel real rather than generated. Do a final playback to confirm the story flows the way you want it to, then hit export. Give your file a name and export in the highest quality available. Your video is ready to post. Now let us see what we have actually created. This niche is already proven on Instagram. The numbers do not lie, and you saw them yourself. But on YouTube Shorts, the space is still wide open. The creators who move now, who post consistently with a strong original character and a high-quality production workflow, are the ones who will own this space. The window is open right now, and it will not stay that way for long. In your free time, make sure to explore everything else SGen has to offer. The image generation section gives you access to the most powerful models available right now, all in one place. The lip sync tool is genuinely impressive. Whether you are working with a single character or multiple characters, the lip movement matches the spoken dialogue perfectly. There are also plenty of other tools inside the platform worth exploring as your content gets more advanced. Everything I used in this tutorial, including the master story prompts and the SGen AI link, are all waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you at all, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon because I post exactly this kind of tutorial every single week. The tools, the niches, and the strategies that are working right now before everyone else finds them. I will see you in the next one.